So what I want to do here is demonstrate the surface boundary command. So what I have here is I have some polygons that are part of my surface. So if I look at these, call these building pads here, if I look at the properties, it has an elevation of 100. I have some tanks up here. Those are also elevation 100, and this is the edge of my surface, also at elevation 100. So if I turn my surface on, you'll see here I have this entire thing is my surface, and each one of these polygons is part of my surface. So what I want to do is eliminate the triangulation between the buildings and the tank pads. So I want to eliminate, you'll see the triangulation between these corners. So if I go up to the surface boundary command, and it's going to say what surface do I want to edit. So I want to edit the finished design. If I had other surfaces in here, you just have to make sure you choose the right one. And then it says boundaries to add or remove. So I'll put my cursor in here. I can select them one at a time. What I'm going to do is hit the options and select by layer, and I'm going to say I want the tank pads and the buildings. Hit close, and then I'm just going to hit add. And it says 7 objects were added to the surface. So now you can see what happened here. If I click off of this command, it trimmed out that surface. So all that triangulation is gone. If I look at it in 3D, you can see the same thing happened there. And one other thing to note about this command is if we go back into the surface boundary command, choose the surface and hit select, it'll just highlight the surface boundaries that are being used currently. So that's a nice way to just go back and double check and make sure, if you're not sure which surface boundaries you have, you can just hit the select button and it'll show you that. So hope this helps. As always, give me a call if you have any questions.